Have you ever pondered the question, are we alone in the universe? A thought that, once entertained, can lead one down a rabbit hole of cosmic proportions. Imagine, if you will, the vast expanse of the universe, a place so enormous, so filled with stars, galaxies, and potential life-bearing planets that it boggles the mind. Now consider the possibilities that such a vast cosmos presents. Could we, the inhabitants of this little blue dot we call Earth, truly be the only sentient beings in this grand sea of stars? Or is it possible that life, in forms we can barely comprehend, exists beyond our limited terrestrial scope? In our quest for answers, we turn to an interesting theory. A theory that suggests we might not just have celestial neighbors, but that our very existence could be tied to them. Enter the Anunnaki, the subjects of ancient Sumerian texts, who some believe to be extraterrestrial beings. Perhaps the answer lies not in the stars above, but in the ancient texts of a civilization long past. The Sumerians, one of the earliest civilizations, told tales of beings called the Anunnaki. From the land of Mesopotamia, where the first spark of civilization ignited, came stories of beings of immense power and wisdom. The Anunnaki, as they were known, were not from this world. According to the Sumerians, they hailed from the heavens. The Sumerian texts speak of these celestial beings descending from the sky, their purpose far from ordinary. Their mission was not of conquest or dominion, but rather of creation. The Anunnaki, it is said, were the architects of life, the sculptors of humanity. The tales tell of their advanced knowledge, of their ability to manipulate the very fabric of life itself. They took the primitive life forms of this blue planet, and with their celestial touch, created Homo sapiens. We were not a product of slow evolution, but rather a masterpiece of extraterrestrial intervention. Imagine the scene, if you will. An alien race with technology and knowledge beyond our comprehension descending from the stars. They find a world ripe for their experiment. And in this colossal cosmic laboratory, they create us. This grand narrative is not just the stuff of science fiction. The Sumerians believed it to be true, and their belief was not blind faith. They claimed to have interacted with these beings, to have learned from them, to have been guided by them. The Anunnaki were not distant gods, watching over their creation from the heavens. They walked among their creation, taught them, guided them, and shaped their civilization. The Sumerians owed their advancements in agriculture, law, and astronomy to these celestial tutors. Yet, as with all great tales, the Anunnaki eventually retreated back to the heavens, leaving mankind to forge its own destiny. Their departure, however, did not erase their influence. The mark they left on humanity and our civilization was indelible. But these were not mere myths and legends. Oh no, there's evidence to suggest otherwise. Ancient Sumerian texts, intricate carvings, and unexplained architectural marvels provide tantalizing hints to the Anunnaki's existence. Let's delve into some of the compelling evidence that fuels the Anunnaki theory. First and foremost, the Sumerian texts, a treasure trove of ancient knowledge. These age-old texts, written in cuneiform script on clay tablets, contain detailed accounts of extraterrestrial beings descending from the heavens. They speak of the Anunnaki, or those who from heaven to earth came, credited with creating mankind and advancing our civilization. Next, we move on to the archaeological marvels that seem too advanced for their time. Consider the Great Pyramid of Giza, a structure so monumental and precise that even with our modern technology, recreating it would be a Herculean task. Then there's the Sphinx, a prehistoric monument whose origins and purpose remain shrouded in mystery. Could these be remnants of the Anunnaki's advanced technology and knowledge? And let's not forget the scientific anomalies. The human genome, for instance, contains a significant amount of non-coding DNA, often referred to as junk DNA. Could this be an extraterrestrial signature, a mark of our Anunnaki creators? Then there's the sudden leap in human evolution, a leap too significant to be explained by natural selection alone. Could this be the result of Anunnaki intervention? The Sumerian texts, the architectural marvels, the scientific anomalies, all pieces of a puzzle that point towards the existence of the Anunnaki. Yet despite all this evidence, the Anunnaki remain a theory, a myth, a mystery. Mainstream science and academia have yet to accept the Anunnaki theory, dismissing it as pseudoscience and folklore. All these clues, yet the mystery remains. So what does this all mean for us? The Anunnaki didn't just visit our planet, they played God, shaping life as we know it. As we delve deeper into the tale of the Anunnaki, we stumble upon a theory that is as fascinating as it is controversial. This theory suggests that the Anunnaki manipulated early human genetics, potentially leading to the development of modern humans. Let's take a moment to explore the implications of this theory. In the ancient Sumerian texts, there are numerous references to the Anunnaki creating mankind, not in the metaphorical sense of laying foundations for civilization, but in the literal sense of genetic manipulation. According to these texts, the Anunnaki, with their advanced knowledge and technology, were capable of altering the genetic code of early hominids, creating a new species, Homo sapiens. Now imagine for a moment the early human beings, primitive, unrefined, struggling for survival. Then, these celestial beings arrive, armed with knowledge far beyond our comprehension. They look at these early humans, see potential, and decide to play the role of cosmic sculptors. They tweak a gene here, adjust a chromosome there, and voila! A new species is born, one with the capacity for thought, for speech, for creativity, for everything that makes us uniquely human. If this theory holds water, it would mean that we, as a species, are not merely a product of natural evolution, but the result of an extraterrestrial experiment. It would mean that every human achievement, every work of art, every scientific breakthrough, every philosophical thought, is a testament to the Anunnaki's grand design. Of course, this theory is not without its critics. Many argue that it is an oversimplification, a fanciful interpretation of ancient texts. But isn't it intriguing? Doesn't it tickle your curiosity, make you question everything you thought you knew about human origins? Could it be then that we owe our very existence to these celestial beings? As we continue our journey into the world of the Anunnaki, we invite you to keep an open mind, to question, to explore, and to wonder. After all, the search for truth is the greatest adventure of all. The Anunnaki may have left, but their impact is still felt today. As we trace the thread of human history, we cannot ignore the lasting influence of the Anunnaki. This ancient civilization, shrouded in mystery, has left an indelible imprint on our world. Their influence can be seen in the earliest cultures, from the Sumerians to the Egyptians, shaping their religious beliefs, their art, and their understanding of the cosmos. The Sumerians, for instance, were known for their advanced knowledge in mathematics and astronomy. Their understanding of the stars, the planets, and the cycles of the cosmos was unprecedented for the time. Could it be that this knowledge was a gift from the Anunnaki? Some scholars would argue so. Even today, the influence of the Anunnaki is palpable. We find echoes of their supposed presence in our fascination with extraterrestrial life. The countless stories and theories about aliens, about beings from other worlds visiting or even creating us, could be seen as a modern manifestation of the Anunnaki myth. Moreover, the Anunnaki's supposed role in the creation of mankind has fueled discussions in the field of genetic engineering. The idea that our genes could have been manipulated or altered by an advanced civilization is a tantalizing thought. It stirs our curiosity and makes us question our origins, our place in the universe. This fascination with the Anunnaki and their influence on human civilization is not merely a passing fancy. It's a testament to our enduring desire to understand ourselves, to uncover our roots, to grapple with the big questions. Who are we? Where did we come from? Are we alone in the universe? In the end, whether or not you believe in the Anunnaki, their tale is a reflection of our collective human curiosity and our unending quest for knowledge. It's a tale that encourages us to look beyond our world, to the stars, to the unknown. Their legacy, it appears, is written in the stars, in our genes, and in the annals of human history. The Anunnaki theory, as fantastical as it seems, provides a compelling answer to our age-old question. It's a narrative that intertwines the threads of ancient Sumerian civilization, cosmic visitors, and the genesis of mankind itself. The Sumerian tablets, our primary source of knowledge about the Anunnaki, stand as intriguing pieces of evidence. They tell a tale of celestial beings who purportedly had a hand in our creation. Yet, as we delve into this theory, we find ourselves navigating an enduring mystery. It's a labyrinth of conjecture and interpretation, where every turn seems to spark more intrigue than the last. The Anunnaki theory, ultimately, is a testament to mankind's ceaseless quest to comprehend our origins and our place in the cosmos. Whether you believe or not, one thing remains certain. Our quest for understanding our place in the universe is far from over. Do check out our description for more intriguing offers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.